Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a tool that can add outline effects to 3D game objects in Unity, the Outline tool. It's particularly suitable for creating selection effects for game objects. First, you need to purchase this tool plugin. I've already placed the purchase link in video comments area. Once purchased, import it into your game project through the package manager. Next, open your own game scene. Here, I prepared a simple game scene that contains a few simple game characters and idle animation. Now, the main part, 1. Click here to add a new layer to your project. 2. Drag the Outline Manager prefab into your game scene. 3. Add the Outline Control script to the game object you want to outline, and add a box collider. Now, just click Run, and then click on your game object to see the outline effect. You can adjust the color, brightness, and thickness of the outline in the Outline Manager. Isn't it super simple? Of course, it can also be applied to mobile platforms. Lastly, I wish everyone success in your work and studies. Creating content is not easy, so please give me a like, follow, and share. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or send me a private message, and I will patiently answer each one. If this video gets over 100 likes, I'll share the next tool with you all.